The FDA just made a decision that could 4x Insulet's market overnight. Insulet, ticker PODD, dominates tubeless insulin pumps with their Omnipod 5 system, holding 80% of the patch pump market. They've delivered 9 consecutive years of 20% plus growth, hitting $2.1 billion in revenue last year. And the hits just keep coming. They just got FDA clearance for type 2 diabetes. However, there's a black lining to this silver cloud. Insulet is trading at 51 times earnings versus an industry average of just 28 times. Multiple valuation models suggest the stock is overvalued by 53 to 56%. With fair value estimates between $143 and $182 per share. Even more concerning, GLP-1 drugs like Ozempic are disrupting the entire diabetes device market. These drugs reduce insulin requirements so much that patients may not need pumps at all. Medtech stocks have already dropped 17% due to these pharmaceutical alternatives. But what if this premium valuation is actually justified? The FDA clearance for type 2 diabetes expands Insulet's addressable market from 1.6 million type 1 patients to over 6 million insulin-requiring type 2 patients in the U.S. alone. That's a 4x market expansion overnight. Early data shows incredible traction. Over 30% of new U.S. customers in Q1 2025 already had type 2 diabetes. The global type 2 market is worth $32 billion and growing at 8.2% annually, with less than 5% current penetration. Plus, they're executing a brilliant international expansion strategy. Omnipod 5 just launched in Australia, with Belgium, Canada, and Switzerland coming soon. International revenue jumped 45% in Q2, and they're targeting 42 countries total. Their competitive moats are getting stronger too. They have 287 active patents protecting their technology, 92% customer retention rates, and manufacturing capacity exceeding 1 million units per month. Free cash flow exploded 737% to $305 million, funding this expansion without external financing. The moment of truth comes with Q3 2025 earnings in November. We'll see the first full quarter of type 2 diabetes customer acquisition rates and retention data. If they can maintain that 30% type 2 mix while scaling internationally, this stock could justify its premium valuation and then some. What do you think? Bullish or bearish on Insulet? Want the complete research reports? Drop a comment below.